Hi there, welcome to Sandy's Chinese class. Today let's talk about Chinese New Year. 除夕夜，我们全家吃过年夜饭，一起看春晚。除夕夜，我们全家吃过年夜饭，一起看春晚。On Chinese New Year's Eve, after having dinner, my whole family watched the Spring Festival Gala together. Okay, this is quite long. Let's take a closer look word by word. The first word, 除夕. 除夕, it's a proper noun. It means Chinese New Year's Eve. 除夕, 除夕, and 夜 is night. So 除夕夜 is the night of Chinese New Year's Eve. 除夕夜, 除夕夜. Next word, 我们. 我们, it means we. 我们, and 们 here has a neutral tone. 我们. 全家, 全 means whole or entire, and 家 is family. So 我们全家, it means our whole family, or more commonly used in English, my whole family. 我们全家, 我们全家. The next word, 吃, 吃, as mentioned in our previous classes, it means eat. 吃, 吃, and 过 here is an aspect marker. It indicates that for this action, 吃, it has taken place already. And 年夜饭 here, it means the dinner that we have on Chinese New Year's Eve. It's similar to the Christmas dinner that Americans have on Christmas Eve. 年夜饭, and it's also a proper noun here. 年夜饭. And for these three characters individually, 年 means year, 夜 is the same one as here, it means night, and 饭 is meal. So the meal you have on the night before the new year. 年夜饭, 年夜饭. So 吃过年夜饭, it means that for this action, it has taken place already. So it can be translated as after having the dinner on Chinese New Year's Eve. 吃过年夜饭, 吃过年夜饭. Next word, 一起, 一起, it means together. And 看, it's the verb, it means watch. And 春晚 is the Spring Festival Gala, and it's short for 春节联欢晚会. 春节联欢晚会. 春节 is Spring Festival, and 联欢晚会 is the gala. For this word, 春节联欢晚会 and its short form, 春晚, they're both proper nouns as well. It's actually a show prepared by Chinese Central Television annually, and it's broadcasted on Chinese New Year's Eve from 8 p.m. to I think to 30 minutes after midnight. And it's a very important show. Although it's not a big thing for the younger generations now, for me, I grew up watching this show every year with my family while having 年夜饭, the dinner on Chinese New Year's Eve. It's really a huge thing in China. I have here a newly invented term, 美国春晚. 美国 is American, and 春晚 is the Spring Festival Gala. 美国春晚. Can you guess what it is? I can give you a hint. For 晚 here, it has the same pronunciation as 春晚 here, but it's actually a different character. And for this character, it actually means bowl. So you probably get this now. It means Super Bowl. 美国春晚. 美国春晚. Of course, for Super Bowl, it has its actual translation. Super is 超级, 晚 is bowl. So Super Bowl, 超级晚. But sometimes we refer to it as 美国春晚 because the Super Bowl, it happens around the same time as Chinese New Year, and it's also a huge thing for the American people. And people usually watch the game with their friends and their families. 美国春晚 is a huge thing for Americans, and Chinese 春晚 is a huge thing for us Chinese. Okay, sum up for today. 除夕夜，我们全家吃过年夜饭，一起看春晚。除夕夜，我们全家吃过年夜饭，一起看春晚。On Chinese New Year's Eve, after having dinner together, my whole family watch the Spring Festival Gala together. I hope you enjoyed the class today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.